Hello Tikkies! Welcome to our another video series of Excel automation using Power Automate desktop. In this video, we will learn about add new worksheet action and delete Excel worksheet action. So let's open Power Automate desktop and see the parameter of these actions. After this, we will also see the practical example of these actions. So now I am on pad. Let's create a flow. Just click on new flow plus icon to create a new flow here. After this, in flow name section, you can mention your flow name as per your project requirement like Excel automation, web automation, file and folder automation, and so on. And after this, just click on create button and just wait for a while. Here your flow is generated. Here you can see your flow has been created successfully. Excel web file folder desktop automation. Let me explain about all parameter of both action. Our first action is add new worksheet. Here in action panel you can just type in search action add new worksheet. You can find add new worksheet action under Excel section. So I have already drag and drop here add new worksheet action, and another one is delete. Just here type delete Excel worksheet and you can find the action name delete Excel worksheet under advanced section. You can find the action delete Excel worksheet. So let me explain about first what is the meaning of add new worksheet and delete Excel worksheet in Excel spreadsheet. Here you can see guys, here is the Excel spreadsheet. Here add new worksheet means here you can see the plus icon new sheet. Just click on new sheet. Here you can add your new sheet. And another one is delete. You can delete this here on this way you can delete that sheet. So that is the manual we can do in Excel spreadsheet. So our today agenda is how can we perform this using Power Automate. So let me explain about each and every parameter of both action. First one is add new worksheet. Here you can see add new worksheet Excel instance. Another parameter is new worksheet Excel name. Here you can mention as per your requirement. If you want to add any sheet, you can just mention the name. And here another parameter is add worksheet as. If you want to add first worksheet and last worksheet. If you want to add, if you have already sheet is available, if you want to add first sheet before already available a worksheet, that time you can select first sheet. And if you want to add first sheet after available worksheet, then you can select last sheet. So this is all about add new worksheet parameter. Here I have also selecting here last worksheet, and I am here adding new worksheet name last sheet. So after this I am using delete Excel worksheet. So let's open and see the parameter. Here there is also a two way to delete worksheet. Here on the basis of name, on the basis of index. And here you can mention if you are delete worksheet with name, then here you can mention worksheet name as. If you want to delete worksheet, then you can mention delete worksheet. And if you want to delete some other worksheet, just you can mention here. And another one is delete Excel worksheet using index. Here I am using index 3. So I hope you understood about code what I did in this flow. And after this I am using close Excel. I am using just before closing Excel I am selecting save document. So let's open Excel spreadsheet and see. First we need to here delete an index I have already created, because we will delete this delete or index delete, and we can also insert first and last. So let's run this flow and see the output of this flow. So your flow has been executed successfully. Let's open Excel spreadsheet and see what is the output. Here you can see guys, here sheet 1 is already available, and first sheet is add using add new worksheet action, and also after sheet 1 another sheet is also added, that is last sheet. Here you can see in our flow we are using add new worksheet before first worksheet, before first sheet, and after we are adding last sheet, and here we are selecting the property last worksheet. So I hope you understood about add new worksheet and delete Excel worksheet action. So thank you for watching this video. We will meet in a next video.